Welcome to Hangzhou Hongxiao Technology, where precision manufacturing creates reliable touch solutions. The PCB circuit board is a key component of every high-performance, capacitive touch screen. Through advanced processing technology, each circuit board is carefully manufactured with high precision. From circuit production and component assembly to inspection, every step follows strict quality standards. Our professional production team ensures stable electrical performance and excellent touch sensitivity. Advanced equipment and precise manufacturing processes help achieve high consistency and reliability. These capacitive touchscreen modules are widely used in industrial control, medical equipment, smart terminals, and charging systems. Hangzhou Hongxiao Technology of providing customized and reliable touch solutions for customers worldwide.